Know your purpose, audience, and message. Before you do anything else, sum up whom you're writing to, what you want them to do, and how you'll get them to do it. That is, define your audience, your purpose, and your message. Let's start with your purpose. No matter what you write, it has an objective or you wouldn't be writing it. Sometimes you're simply giving someone information they need, such as when you're offering instructions or sending someone data for their monthly report. In this case, make the information clear and easy to use. Often, though, you're trying to convince your reader of something, perhaps persuading a prospective customer to buy something. In this example, let's say you're persuading senior managers within your business to use a new annual review form with their teams. Now onto your audience. Note down the factors that matter, like your reader's needs, motivations, possible objections, and the way you could handle those objections. The senior managers you're writing to need to get the best possible performance out of their team members. Therefore, you could motivate them by explaining how this new way of doing reviews will boost performance. They're probably also busy people and could object that switching to a new form is more hassle than it's worth. How could you handle this? Perhaps by giving them everything they need to use the new form quickly and easily. What about your message? This is decided by your purpose and your audience. In this example, your messages are 1. The new review form boosts performance, and 2. It's quick and easy to use. Everything you write should support your message so that it engages your audience and meets your objective.